Good morning, students. Today we are going to cover chapter 10 exponent and power exercise 10.1 remaining question after 15. Here I have taken 18th question, that is in this question all the exponents are rational numbers. So here what we need to do is जिस नंबर को हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स के प्रोडक्ट की फॉर्म में, वी विल ट्राई टू रिड्यूस देम फर्स्ट. हाउ? दिस 2 कैन नॉट बी रिड्यूस्ड, सो इट इज एज इट इज. Multiply 12 can be written as 3 into 2 into 2. 2 multiply 2 means 2 raised to power 2, and again power is 1 by 2 here. Multiply 27 is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 means 3 raised to power 3, and again power is 1 by 2 here, and 5 has power 1 by 3. Divide by 8 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 3 times, so 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 2. Multiply 5 into 2 5 into 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Multiply 18 can be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, or 3 multiply 3 is 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Multiply 81 means 4 times 3. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, how many times? 4 times, that raised to power 1 by 4. Now we are solving using law of exponent. This 2 is as it is 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Multiply, here 3 has 1 by 2 power, जो ये power है it will be power of 3, it will be power of 2. So 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 by 2. एक्सपोनेंट ओवर एक्सपोनेंट, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस. एक्सपोनेंट के ऊपर जब एक्सपोनेंट होता है वी मल्टीप्लाई द एक्सपोनेंट्स. मल्टीप्लाई 3 रेज टू पावर 3 रेज टू पावर 2 मीन्स 3 मल्टीप्लाई 1 बाई 2. मल्टीप्लाई 5 रेज टू पावर 1 बाई 3. डिवाइड बाय 2 रेज टू पावर 3 रेज टू पावर 1 बाई 2, सो एक्सपोनेंट्स विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड. मल्टीप्लाई 5 हैज पावर 1 बाई 3 and 2 has power 1 by 3. Multiply 2 has power 1 by 2 and 3 has power 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 1 by 2. Multiply 3 raised to power 4 multiply 1 by 4. जिन एक्सपोनेंट्स को हम कैंसिल कर पा रहे हैं we will cancel them. रिमेनिंग को हम राइट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Here it is as it is. यहाँ 2 cancel 4 cancel, remaining we are writing here. And one more thing is this: 5 has power 1 by 3, 5 has power 1 by 3. यहाँ बेस सेम है, एक्सपोनेंट भी सेम है, so they can be cancelled. This whole can be cancelled with the whole. So here what is remaining? 2 raised to power 1 by 3 यहाँ पे है. Sorry, let me write 2 raised to power 1 by 3 multiply. I am combining the 2 first. 2 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 1 by 2 multiply 3 raised to power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 from here. Divide by 2 raised to power 3 by 2. This has been cancelled. 2 and 2. 2 raised to power 1 by 3 multiply 2 raised to power 1 by 2, and this is 3 raised to power 1. And this is 3 raised to power 1, means 3 into 3. 1 need not to write. Further we will solve same base की जो एक्सपोनेंट्स हैं, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट में हैं तो हम उनको ऐड करेंगे. So here 2 की जो पावर है 1 by 3 1. आइदर आप सभी को एक साथ भी कंबाइन कर सकते हैं. These two will get plus, ये सभी इसके सब्ट्रैक्शन में रहेंगे. You can solve in this way also. I am trying to solve separately. First of all मैं न्यूमरेटर्स को की पावर्स को करता हूँ. 1 by 3 plus 1 multiply 3 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. They are in product, so power will get added. Here also 2 raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 multiply 3 raised to power 2 here. So on adding these, अगर आप इनको ऐड कर रहे हैं तो 2 रेज टू पावर, यहाँ एलसीएम 3 आता है. 3 1 जा 3 प्लस 1 3 जा 3. मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 3 by 2, ultimately if you will add them, it will be 4 by 2 means 2. So it is 2 raised to power. From here I have divided this into 2 parts. 2, LCM is 6 here. 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 plus 2 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3. Multiply 3 raised to power 2. यहाँ से आप ये क्या कर रहे हैं, 3 plus 1 3 by 4, और यहाँ से जो 2 की पावर आ रही है 2 raised to power 4 by 3, and 3 has power 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 that is 2, divide by 2 has power here 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 14, 14 by 6, multiply 3 raised to power 2. The same exponent we can cancel them. Remaining हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 है, and we will try to solve them. I am erasing this part, and here we will solve the remaining part. From here only 2 is remaining, that is 2 raised to power 4 by 3. दोनों एक दूसरे के डिवीजन में है, so power will get subtracted, and 2 raised to power 6 is LCM. 3 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 minus 6 1 ja 6, this is 14, and this will be 2 raised to power minus 6 by 6, that is 2 raised to power minus 1, and that is equal to 1 by 2. इस तरह से आप 18 का क्वेश्चन का पार्ट हम सोल्व कर सकते हैं. अब हम 19 का सेकंड पार्ट हम सोल्व कर रहे हैं. 19 का सेकंड पार्ट, इस तरह के क्वेश्चन हमने पिछले ऑनलाइन सेशन में भी कवर किए थे, और अभी भी हम एक एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं. सेकंड पार्ट वी आर टेकिंग दिस टाइम, एंड दैट इज गिवन स्क्वायर रूट 3 by 5 raised to power 3 minus 2x, 3 minus 2x, that is equal to 4 and 17 by 27, 14 by 27. अगर इस क्वेश्चन को करना है तो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि दोनों तरफ बेस सेम होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्क्वायर रूट को समझते हैं. स्क्वायर रूट मीन्स पावर इज 1 by 2 हियर. यहाँ पे इस होल सभी के ऊपर जितने के ऊपर स्क्वायर रूट है उसके पावर कितने हो गए, 1 by 2. सो 3 by 5 raised to power 3 minus 2x raised to power 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 comes by this square root, that is equal to 27 4 ja 28, 108 plus 17, that will be 125. This is 125 by 27. Exponent over exponent, we are multiplying this. This is 3 minus 2x divided by 2, that is equal to, अगर आप 125 को प्राइम फैक्टराइज करते हैं, what you will get, that is 5 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3, means 3 times 3, 27 is equal to 3 multiply 3, or you can say 3 raised to power 3, and 125, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, or 5 raised to power 3. So here अगर दोनों का पावर सेम है, सो व्हाट वी कैन डू कि हम दोनों की कॉमन पावर 3 लगा सकते हैं. लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट हमारे पास है, व्हेन पावर आर सेम, लाइक आई एम राइटिंग a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. The rule is a by b raised to power m. We can write here. So power is 3. Here base same नहीं है हमारे, it is 3 by 5, it is 5 by 3. So what you need to do is, अगर एक किसी एक का रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं तो base will remain, base will become same. So here we are making reciprocal of it. हम इसका reciprocal कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा easy रहेगा हमारे लिए. So it is 3 by 5 raised to power 3 minus 2x by 2, that is equal, reciprocal means power negative, 3 by 5 raised to power minus 3. हमने इसको reciprocal किया, power will turn to negative. So here base are same, so we can compare the exponents. 3 minus 2x by 2, that is equal to minus 3. So 3 minus 2x cross multiply 3 minus 2 minus 6. So minus 2x, that is equal to minus 6 minus 3 minus 2x, that is equal to minus 9, and this minus 2 will get in division, so minus cancel minus, so x is equal to 9 by 2. इस तरह से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आपके इसके 22nd के जो लास्ट पार्ट हैं, 22nd questions में, they are easy. Let me remind you the square and square root for this. अगर फिर भी आपकी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, you can WhatsApp me, और in the live session we will cover. लास्ट में हम ले रहे हैं सेकेंड पार्ट. 22nd question, second part we are covering here. and that is -3 क्यूब रूट. ये रेडिकल साइन के अंदर 3 लिखा है क्यूब रूट, और क्यूब रूट मीन्स पावर इज 1/3. that is equal to means into 125 into -3 into cube root of 125. -3 बाहर है, it means it is multiplied with this. It is something like this. It is multiplied. Whatsoever will come from here, that will multiply with -3. जो भी यहाँ से सॉल्व होके आएगा उसको -3 से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना. As I told you, cube root means power is 1/3. स्क्वायर अगर यहाँ कुछ नहीं होता स्क्वायर रूट तो पावर विल 1/2. 4 होता है तो पावर इज 1/4. 5 होगा तो पावर इज 1/5. नाउ 125 that is equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. How many times? 3 times. So power is 3. So here -3 into 5 raised to power 3 multiply 1/3. Exponent will cancel. -3 into 5 that is equal to -15. In this way you can solve remaining parts. Other thing we will cover during the live session or you can WhatsApp me the problems. Thank you.